If you've been reading and following our articles here on CITKAT, you might know that we like to keep up to date with our KitKat news. So we were pleased to read recently about the latest guise of KitKat here in Japan set to hit the shelves. Maker Nestle Japan is taking its popular KitKat brand in yet another new direction with the unveiling on July 8th of KitKat SNAX, the manufacturer's take on the Japanese otsumami bar snack or finger food. The latest edition of the popular KitKat product lineup is a first foray into the world of otsumami, or Japanese bar snacks typically served with alcohol, for the brand, and is set to hit shelves from July 20th. In KitKat SNAX, the ball-type KitKat will be served alongside salted roast almonds and rich cheese-flavoured soybeans. The sweetness of the KitKat combines well with the saltiness of the almonds and soybeans and can be mixed and matched with any number of alcoholic beverages according to the maker. The release of KitKat SNAX comes as the public in Japan adjusts to a new lifestyle following the end of the coronavirus emergency, which saw the entire country placed under a state of emergency for about 1 month between April and May. Under social and economic restrictions that saw many bars and restaurants in Japan reduce their opening hours or close altogether during the emergency, many people took to online parties based at home in order to stay social and enjoy drinks with others. The makers of KitKat SNAX are hoping that their new otsumami can be a complement to this new social culture. Of course, one can't have otsumami without an alcoholic tipple. Well, actually you can, and many people do. But in the spirit of otsumami being a snack typically served with alcohol, Nestle Japan are also releasing a craft beer to coincide with the release of the latest guise of the KitKat. In the chocolate almond milk stout inspired by KitKat, Nestle has teamed up with brewer DD4D to produce a craft brew which uses cacao powder, the same raw ingredient that goes into the classic chocolate KitKat snack. Nestle Japan on July 8th also launched a social media campaign via their Twitter account through which participants can get their hands on beer and snack set prizes. KitKat SNAX itself will go on sale nationwide at convenience stores from July 20th. While there's currently no sign that the chocolate almond milk stout inspired by KitKat craft brew will be going on general sale, currently it can be purchased online via the DD4D website as part of a set which includes the KitKat SNAX. DD4D, based in Ehime Prefecture in Western Japan, started out as a select clothing store in 1998 before establishing a brewery in 2019. The brewer fuses modern and traditional methods in the production of a variety of craft brews, from IPAs to sour ales. Nestle Japan is no stranger in exploring new territory with its KitKat brand. In September 2019, it swapped plastic packaging for paper for some of its larger packs of the snack in an effort to reduce plastic waste in the oceans. Not only is the paper packaging more eco-friendly, but snackers could also use it to try their hand at origami, the Japanese art of paper folding. In recent years, Nestle Japan has also collaborated with former soccer star turned sake connoisseur Hidetoshi Nakata in the production of Japanese sake-inspired luxury KitKats, the latest being the KitKat Mini Yogurt Sake, which was released in March 2020. We got to hang out with Nakata in Kochi Prefecture on the island of Shikoku ahead of the release of the KitKat Mini Yuzu Shu Bijofu last year. You can read about that in an article on CITKAT. We'll leave the link in the description below. So guys, are you looking forward to the release of the KitKat SNAX? Let us know in the comments below this video. Also, let us know what your favourite KitKat is here in Japan. If you prefer your KitKat news in article form, you can read about the release of the KitKat SNAX in an article on CITKAT. We'll leave a link in the description below this video. In the meantime, if you like this video, click on that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell up there somewhere, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.